I need to model 4 groups of 3/10. I can use my rods or tenths to represent 4 groups of 3/10. So here is 1 group of 3/10, 2 groups of 3/10, 3 groups of 3/10, and 4 groups of 3/10. I notice now that I have a total of 12 tenths. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tenths. Well, I remember that 10 tenths make up 1 whole. And therefore I have 1 whole with 2 tenths left over, making 1 whole and 2 tenths. So 4 times 3/10 equals 1 and 2 tenths.